In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Doge Coin on eToro. So once you're set up and you've got your account, all you need to do here is come up to the search bar and type in Doge, and that will bring up Dogecoin here, or Dogecoin if you prefer. Press this here. That will take you to the Dogecoin overview where you can see the trading view here. You can also see the charts, analysis, etc. And all you need to do in order to buy it is come up here to the top right, press the trade button, and then enter the amount that you would like to invest. So for example, if I do $50 here, that will secure me currently 190 units at the time of recording. I can do a market order here, or if I prefer, I can also do a limit order, which will allow you to set the price to buy at. So for example, right now it's 26 cents. If I change that to, say, for example, 25 cents, then it will buy this for me once Dogecoin gets to 25 cents. Obviously, that is if that happens. If it continues to rise in price and never goes to 25, this will never execute. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do a market order here, which will buy at price, and then I can go ahead and press buy. And here you can see that the order has been filled at the bottom there. We've bought some Dogecoin, and then if I go over to my portfolio here, let's just bring up the portfolio on the left-hand side. We can see now that I have Dogecoin currently in my portfolio, and if I wanted to sell that, I can do that here, or if I wanted to trade more, I also have the ability to do that here. And that is how you buy Dogecoin on eToro.